Harnessing the present perfect continuous tense. Fill in the blanks. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up until now. We're going to practice this tense with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap how to form the present perfect continuous tense. We use has been or have been, along with the present participle, verb plus ing, of the main verb. For example, she has been reading the book for 2 hours. They have been playing football since morning. Now, let's understand when to use this tense. Primarily, we use the present perfect continuous tense to show that something started in the past and is continuing in the present. Talk about actions that have recently stopped but have a result or effect in the present. For instance, I have been waiting here for an hour. The action of waiting started in the past and is still going on. She is out of breath because she has been running. The action of running has just stopped and has a result in the present. Now comes the fun part. Let's practice using present perfect continuous tense with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Here are the sentences. 1. He, blank, work, on this project since March. 2. We, blank, try, to finish the puzzle for hours now. 3. You look tired. You, blank, study, all day, haven't you? 4. My clothes are wet because it, blank, rain. 5. They, blank, live, in this house for 20 years. Try to fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verb in brackets. Take your time and refer back to the rules we discussed earlier. Congratulations, language learners! You've done an amazing job practicing the present perfect continuous tense. Remember, the key to mastering English grammar is consistent practice. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll ace this in no time. Until our next grammar adventure, keep your enthusiasm high and never stop learning. Answers to practice exercises. 1. He has been working on this project since March. 2. We have been trying to finish the puzzle for hours now. 3. You look tired. You have been studying all day, haven't you? 4. My clothes are wet because it has been raining. 5. They have been living in this house for 20 years.